no, 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 what have you done that for? You mental case, do you not use your mirrors? What a knobhead. You're not gonna. There's even a massive sign there to say "Don't park here, you fucking idiot." Check out the little children they put to stop people. Please don't park here. Look at that. Look, what a fucking idiot. Wow. If you can't read pictures, then there's something wrong with you, man. There is something wrong. The thing is, in Bristol, yeah, you got the zigzag saying "School, do not park here." Well, people didn't quite understand that. So what they've started doing, they've started putting little bollards in. Pretty little pictures of children saying please don't stop here, this is like stupid to stop here, and people, they thought maybe, oh, that might like encourage people to stop doing it, but it doesn't work, because as we've just seen, knobheads still park there. Again, there's some special people about here as well by the looks of it. Just might forget by the time we get there. Wow. Oh, that was so close. Oh, that was close. Oh dear, how's he done that, Craig? Oh, oh no. Oh no. What an idiot. There's even massive yellow, so how can you get it wrong? Wow. Okay, let's move our car. Just block the car park out. You can't just sit in the middle. You're gonna have to drive so people can get out. You gotta be blind to do that, Craig. You have to be really blind to do that. That was painful to watch, man. That was painful. Is that... Yes, I thought so. Oh, it's an Audi. It's an Audi blocking the road. Of all the cars you could possibly pick to make a mess, it's either Audi or BMW, isn't it? Prick. Absolute prick. You gotta love the intelligence of people of Bristol, man, because park and then somebody else will block you in at the front, and somebody else will block you in at the back, and then somebody else will block you in at the front, and then somebody will block you in at the back, and then on top of that, good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. Ugh. Okie dokie, okie dokie. Wait.
I'm assuming this driver has a driving license. It would be safe to assume that they're driving the car, so they have a driving license. So therefore, there must be at least a small amount of intelligence, even just a little bit. Why not get yourself one of these and just wipe your window? How can you drive with fucking steamed up windows?
Jesus Christ! Someone please remind me why the good Lord gave us eyeballs. Because obviously that person hasn't got a fucking clue. I might have to try that one day. I'll go out and drive blindfolded, see how far I get before crashing. That'd be fun, wouldn't it? Oh, it looks like we've got some more intelligence up ahead. There he is, there, look. They just parked right on the corner, so none of these cars coming at that junction can see absolutely nothing. Get off your phone. It's become quite a common thing with like DPD drivers on my channel. For some reason, they all drive like absolute mental cases, and they just got something wrong with them. That's my official diagnosis. There is something wrong with them. Because I think to get a job driving for DPD, all you have to do is turn up to the interview, and that's it. They give you a job. You don't have to go for any test, any competency tests, nothing like that. You don't have to have any life skills, no driving requirements. Just turn up for the interview, and they give you a job. That's it. That's my theory. Fucking idiots, aren't they? See that? That's a man doing an oil change on a tree there. You are fully welcome to leave a dislike for that joke. Alright? You are fully entitled to leave a dislike for that joke. Why would you advertise that you're an alcoholic on your car? I don't understand, man. You are fully entitled to leave a dislike for that joke. Oh, Jesus Christ. Can we get some dubstep music overlaid, please, Benji? Thank you, please.
Bah! What? Bah! Wow.
Can I ask that question?
What, Bohemian Rhapsody style? That would be absolutely yes.
Or you could just wait, couldn't you? You fucking funny. Ugh. Cheers, dude. Cheers. See, there are some nice people about, despite all the fucking knobs this morning. Oh, no. What have you done that for? You mental case. Do you not use your mirrors? What a knobhead. If you got problems seeing a bus, then you have serious issues, my friend. I'm debating whether or not to call that an old-time classic, because 205, man. 205. Sexy. Whoa, what are you doing? Nutter. 205, man. Classic. Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. I know I got wheelchair followers. I got quite a few of you. I encourage you to... Is that the right word? That's the wrong word. I didn't encourage. You are well within your rights to take a sharp piece of metal and redesign the side of people's cars who park like that and stop you and your wheelchair and your pram for that matter. If they stop you from getting along the path, or they make you go onto the road or change path, you are not encouraged, but I would understand why you would redecorate the side of their car, because that's just nasty and selfish, isn't it? We'll have to add some text on screen just to tell everyone not to actually do what I say, because I'm an idiot and I think and I speak and I think without speaking and I speak without thinking. Basically, just don't do what I say, ever, because I come out with some silly things. Can I get a selfish in the comments, please? Because that is selfish parking, that is. Can I get a selfish in the comments? Thank you. Can I get a selfish in the comments, please? Can I get a selfish? Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair as well, by the way. Oh, you're not going to block the road up, are you? You are, in fact, going to block the road up. Can I get a special in the comments, please? Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. Don't do it, the road's blocked, you monkey. The road's blocked, you monkey. Means me say, Regen. Maze Moo say, get off your phone. No? Nah. It's not every day you see a DPD driver driving down the path, is it? Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. I'm not a bus. I'm not a bus. I like how they put their hazard lights on to let everyone know how stupid they are. They're good parking. There's the curve. There, I couldn't see it. There it is. That's the curve. I found it. It's alright. Panic over. And blocking the view from a junction is good parking. Away, hey! Good parking. And good parking. Yeah. We got kids, haven't we?
Yeah, you're one of them.
Yeah, good joke, Alexi.
Oh, look at that. Oh,
Puddles! I hate people. Oh, he done that wrong. He did do that wrong. No one does it right. I think one learner plate's enough, innit? Why do you need 3 of them? Genuine question, why would you need 3 learner plates? I don't get it. It's a bit strange. Maybe they're an extra special learner and they just need to like plaster their car in it because they're really, really bad at driving. I don't know, maybe. It's a possible, isn't it? Just sat there playing with his phone and get beeped at. Did you see him jump as well?